Right, well, here we are, Loch Ness. Not seeing much. Around it's all a load of old bloody rubbish really. But anyway, hang on.
What the hell's that out there? Can you see it?
Where?
There.
Oh God, yeah.
There. There. Oh, it's in the bushes.
Oh no.
Oh my God. Oh, keep away, sis.
Well, it must be away from the bushes. Can't go in the water, sure. God. A win.
Where's it gone? Where is it? Where is it? I missed it! Hey, pal!